Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. First of all, sorry about the audio. So I got the kids around. I wanted to show you guys something quick that I made recently. This is with something called PufferLib, and it helps with reinforcement learning. So I'm just going to start the training now, and you'll see. Now I haven't trained this actually on the larger images. It's probably set right now to larger images, so I don't know how well it's actually going to do. But it's still doing 500,000 steps per second. So I wrote my environment in C. I used to have this in JavaScript to have on my GitHub IO to have something kind of interactive. And I wanted to have it be able to do reinforcement learning and showcase that I could do it. And I couldn't actually end up getting it to work. I got different Q tables and stuff like that working. But I couldn't get deep Q networks to work in JavaScript, and I mean, it's probably my fault or whatever, I just couldn't get it. And in the end, it was quicker for me to rewrite the whole program in C and get it working with how PufferLib expects the different functions to work and everything. And then it just trained in no time once I got rid of the bugs that I kind of caused myself, because I was new to the biggest one is there were multiple places it was looking for the size of the observations, and I didn't catch that because I didn't know how things worked. So I chased that one a bit. But and then the other was trying to get this generally faster. At first, I was running it off of latest. So we'll run this and see. I don't know what window it's going to pop up in. All right. Sorry, you might not be able to see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. So it's just got two whiskers. They're not visible. Two whiskers out in front of the car, and it's just measuring, a float from 0 to 1, how long the whisker is. It's originally 100 pixels, and that'd be the 1.0, and then if it's 0 pixels, it's 0. And so it's just checking for the track edges, and it just randomly creates thousands of these tracks and runs thousands of these cars around it, and they can learn. And I think you saw it took like 1 minute to train this RL agent to drive around the track, and you can just keep on randomizing this over and over. Actually, I can just show you. So if I do this, and then I've got to go to another file, I'm just going to change a seed number. So instead of seed of 2, I'll do seed of 3. I just run it again. Should still be recording. Let's check where I am. Oh, I got the window here. And so this is a new track. It might crash on this hairpin because that's a really tight turn. Yeah, but it trained in like 1 minute, and it can just go around and do this. And I could train it longer. I could find better parameters. I could initialize the track so it's not got such a sharp turn. And I mean, it took 1 minute to get this going. It's absolutely crazy. So it's definitely something that you should consider checking out if you want to learn reinforcement learning, which I would encourage you to do. It's an awesome tool, and there's a lot of people in there working on similar stuff to this, solving cool, interesting little problems and learning reinforcement learning along the way. So Keith from Kinvert, hope you found that helpful. Sorry about the audio, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.